You can now burn your spam NFTs and receive Solana in return. So right within Phantom Wallet, head over to your NFTs, select on the spam NFT, upper right hand corner, select burn token. You'll see there's a network fee, but you'll get a rebate back that's even bigger. So we will go ahead and burn this NFT. So while it may not seem like a lot, at least it's something, especially if you have a lot of these spam NFTs to burn. The goal of these spam NFTs, whether it's on Solana or Ethereum, is to have the end user click on malicious links and interact with the malicious smart contracts, and in the end, lose all of their crypto and NFTs. So at least with this feature within Phantom Wallet, it is safe to burn them. But again, do not ever take these spam NFTs and send them or try to sell them. And the same thing goes for Ethereum as well. On Ethereum, if you receive these spam NFTs, do not send, do not sell, do not interact. If you want, on OpenSea, you can hide them to make your folder look cleaner. But again, do not interact. Someone asked me, if you have all of these spam NFTs on Ethereum, can you just send your real NFTs to a new wallet? But I told them it's not really worth it, because you'll send those NFTs to a new wallet, and then from there, you'll continue to receive spam NFTs. And then on top of that, if you send all of your true NFTs to a new wallet, it's going to be very costly in gas fees. So Solana has this awesome feature where you can clean up your wallet and get Solana in return. With Ethereum, just leave them alone. Stay safe out there. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.